Advice and ideas to advance your affiliate marketing strategy. One of the biggest problems people encounter when trying to start an online business is that they attempt to go from startup to expert in the blink of an eye. There's a process you need to follow with web business, especially affiliate marketing, and you will never succeed in this genre unless you understand it. Here are some tips to help you understand. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the number one rule for affiliate marketing. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. When you are pitching your product to a client, elaborate on what the product can do for them, instead of the actual design or functionality. Creating a more personal connection with the client can help them understand the value in putting money into your company, which will improve your business relationship. When people unsubscribe, which often happens, it will be up to you to seek out new subscribers. By sending the emails that are already proven to work, you stand a better chance of being successful in attracting new customers. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure the company you're going to be affiliating with sends you an email every time you make a sale. Not all companies do this, but it's a great way to track how you're doing, and it also helps motivate you to keep at it. Take advantage of the growth in social networking to get yourself seen by more people and to have alternate marketplaces for your readers to find you. Having someone linked to your online social networking page is a huge plus for your work. This means that they want to see the things that you post, and that they will continue seeing them even if forget to head to your website. Of course, people want to go from zero to rich in 0.0 seconds. But rushing affiliate success is just unrealistic. Before you get your hopes up only to be let down hard and fast, take your time to read and to implement the tips in the video above. Put yourself in a good position to be successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.